how to log in or create a wallet on Coinomi. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log into your wallet or to create a new wallet on Coinomi wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can get and download the Coinomi application from your Play Store or App Store easily. Then you want to open it up. Once you open it up, on the interface you can see the create a new wallet option and restore a wallet. If you wish to simply log into your account, tap on restore a wallet and go ahead and enter your recovery phrase and go ahead and easily log in. However, if you wish to create a new wallet, simply tap on create a new wallet, and here it'll ask you choose how you want to protect your wallet in everyday use. You want to make it most secure or you want to make it less secure. So I'll make it less secure for now and then tap on next. Once you do so, here you can simply add coins. You can see if you wish to add coins, simply search particular coin, or I'll just select Bitcoin here and Bitcoin Plus, BNB, Deepcoin and Ethereum, and then tap on plus and you can see it'll create a wallet. Tap on agree, and once you do so, here you can see the wallet will be created. So this is how you can easily log in or create a new wallet on Coinomi wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.